everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In today's vlog, we're exploring street food in Rabat. We've got variety of meals: pizza, grilled chicken, tagine, minced meat and sausage burger, pomegranate juice, sweet nuts, cashew, almond, cacao. This is sweet nuts paradise in Rabat Street. Chicken salad. Me, Yasmin.
And Lloyd.
So today vlog is in Rabat. We're gonna go fishing with the rice larbi, and also we're gonna try street food. So we entering Rabat. We're going fishing with a friend, and we have Lloyd here concentrating on driving.
Salam, labas.
بخير الحمد لله. We're gonna start by a coffee, milk.
Sukara, the mixed my niceness.
Wow, perfectly balanced coffee and milk. This is lunchtime. This is the entrance of the Old Medina. We're going fishing in the night, so we're gonna get some worms for fishing. This is the fishing shop here. I'm gonna take 2 packets, cost 30 dirham each. Thank you so much.
What you do, David?
Available for fishing. I hope it's gonna fit me. It fits me nicely. Boat from the Medina for fishing for 40 dirham. Look at this pomegranate in orange, very catchy. What I'm gonna take, a mix, orange or pomegranate. I love pomegranate. I'm gonna take pomegranate juice.
شندير كاس واحد خلط لي فيه الليمون والرمان نديرها.
The guy is using the manual machine to extract the juice from the fruits.
هنينا. شنو ما تصيفطي الفيديو نحطو في انستغرام.
نصيفطو ليه؟
ونحطو في انستغرام ويلي.
شو اسمك البلاصة؟ المدينة القديمة البداية.
باب الرحبة. باب الرحبة.
باب الرحبة. شو سميتك؟
ماشي وسيم.
وسيم في باب الرحبة. فناشي 10 د الرمان ليمون اللي بغيتو مرحبا. واو زوين. يعطيك الصحة.
صافا.
زوين بزاف.
علوكا.
الرمان زين
عليكا.
Wow, my favorite pizza is here. I'm gonna take minced meat and prawns. Yes, please. Ketchup, please. Wow, look at this huge piece. The crust is crispy, the cheese perfectly melted. Wow, amazing. I love it.
Between this pizza, it's like surf and turf. It's got some mincemeat on there and some prawns, crevettes. Tasting زوين. زوين ناندي.
حاجة تبدلتي كان واحد الراجل آخر لا؟
ايه بوين ديك كاسكيطة كيف
إيه.
عايشين ان شاء الله.
فهمتني كنقلبو لتحت كيسحبنا ولا مازال لتحت.
لا 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 يا ما عرفتنيش عندي واحد النهار عقلت عليك.
كلين. Wow, look at this grill. Sausage, minced meat. Looks very tasty. Alright, I'm gonna take a burger in that small round bread.
It was my favorite burger. وين ما عادي.
Next, a crispy chicken ball or burger chicken. I already eat burger, so I'm gonna take a ball. There is the ham there, fries, sauce, crispy chicken, pickles. It's amazing. The crispy chicken is amazing. Rich of chicken and sauce, and it's very crunchy and saucy at the same time. I love it. Next, look at this barbecue, chicken, tagine, onions, grilled chicken, cut everything and put it inside the bread. Wow, smells amazing. Olives with everything inside. Spices there.
Nice chicken, olives.
صحة. Wow, I love it. زوين بزاف. Very rich of protein. Amazing. I love it. بالصحة. And now, dessert time.
Is it chocolate?
Chocolate and nuts.
Sweet.
We get different nuts here, cashew, cacao, almonds. I love it. This is the cashew. They mix it with chocolate, with caramel. Yeah, I went from this also. Thank you so much.
This one's sweet.
The cashew is the favorite. احنا باغي نمشي نتمشاو في المدينة. If you make it this far, give us a subscribe and a like, and thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.